Hey guys, I'm unboxing my gift. So ano muna tayo? Yung mga viewers muna, viewers. I'm so excited. My room is actually very let me just because I have to ah, there. We can do the unboxing here. And then
Mali ang taong hinuli namin? Bakit?
Holy hour,
Kilala mo ba
holy
kung bakit
hour.
kikilos sa
Welcome
Amerika?
guys, welcome, have fun, interacting with your viewers in real time. Creators must be 18 or older to go live. Viewers must be 18 or older to recharge and send gifts.
Mas maganda
To
siguro kung
recharge?
papaliwanag muna namin.
Remember to create a safe viewing experience by following our community.
Na maganap ang krimen?
Naman sa manood ug mga konto, mga paksiw ug mga pana. Co-host daw.
Magkasama ko kami sa trabaho
Sure,
sa isang tindahan ng computer. Tindahan ng computer?
Keep going. We're letting my viewers know you're live. Invite another co-creator. Hi, Answer Mahmoud. Thanks for watching. Yeah, Irfan, hello. Beauty of Islam. Robin Boy, hi. Welcome to my live. So this is... Wait. I'm watching... a horror movie actually. This is like the Halloween marathon for Filipino movies. Babar Ali, hi. Arabic, hi. Redham, hello. So guys, I am gonna be unboxing my package, or you call it here parcel, but this is coming from Australia. So I'm so excited, you know that. Kamran Khan, ABT, Hewa Sherwani, hello. Sorry. Gauhar Khan, Muhammad Hufesa, hello. 263, hi. So guys, so this is my new room. It's I don't know. It's still, I didn't unpack so many things yet because Samira Chokri, hi. Thanks for watching. So this Perdasi Logi, hello. So this guys, this is what I've been. So anyway, before we have to do the unboxing, so I received a parcel or a package right now. It's via air. It's via air, I think so, because he just sent it to me, and then handsome boy, hello, Abdul Rahman, and then like a few days only, and then I received it. So imagine, so this package is from Australia, and this was sent by my grandpa, or our mine and BBs Grandpa, for State of Survival. So guys, what is State of Survival? So it's actually a zombie game, an online video game. Mr. Harris, Bilal, Bram, Prince, Shah, and Perdasilogi, hello. Thanks for watching. And then he sent me and BB a parcel. So we called him Grandpa because he was like an old man, old school guy, and he's playing this board games also in Australia. And I met him when I joined TDM 2.0 at State 189. That was before for State of Survival, a zombie game, apocalypse game, survival game, online game which you can play via It was introduced for mobile games, and then now you can play it through PC and through laptops. But unfortunately, my laptop is not gonna be doing the it's not what's this one high tech enough. Hello, how are you? Omiza, I'm not sure how to pronounce. Wissam Arman, hello. Patan King, hello. Thank you for following. I'm here in Dubai Industrial Park. God, I was in Barsha before. Now I have to transfer here because it's nearer my work. So guys, again, so I'm opening now the parcel or the gift that my grandpa, me and BBs Grandpa sent to me. So I'm so excited, and I can see here in the full description of goods, which I'm gonna show you. Okay, why are you? What is that? I'm not sure. For a hard joint, thank you. I will just like flip the camera, guys, so that you will know what I am unboxing right now. And this one I will upload also, like that is mine actually. It's cute, right? So I'll be showing you what I am unboxing. You're in Abu Dhabi, that's good. So I'm in Dubai. So I'll be like flipping the camera, guys, so that you will see. Okay, so I'm watching that one. It's a horror movie actually. This is my birthstone, which is called an amethyst. So this is the parcel, guys. This is my Jamie, and this is Jordy. So this is my parcel. It came from Australia. See, Springvale South, LPO. I'm not sure. Anyhow, okay, we're going to unbox this one. Let's see, like, what Grandpa has in store for me. I better to like it. So I'm watching a horror movie and listening to Christmas songs also at the same time. So here we go. It's still not opening, guys. Yee. There you go. Oh my god. Yeah, Grandpa, I've got this one already. He sent me this one before, 4 boxes. I still have 1 box left, and now I got another one. Just make sure, Grandpa, this is not expired already, okay? There is no expiry date actually, but anyhow, oh my god, thank you so much. This is like, I can use this one with my coffee also. Yay! Oh my lord, I have KitKat. Now I have to put this in the fridge because it is like already melted. I love it. This is the delivery instructions. He just put 2 KitKat. My god, 4. Where are the other 4? My god, chunky Milo KitKat. Oh, this is really Milo KitKat, seriously? Oh my god. I'll eat now. Can't find the expiry date. Literally, I have to eat. I love it. He said he bought me, like, 54 of these. I love it. 54, imagine. So in one box it was only like 8, I think so, times 4, 36. So now this is 58. Thank you, Grandpa. So that's 2. Do really have to count? Anyway, let me just count a little bit. But he said I have 4. Now it's only nothing. Oh, there you go. I can still find 1 more KitKat, and he said it's 4 in the box. Like you can see the KitKat, 4 pieces. Glass. I was thinking another one. So it's a glass mug, 1, and then 54 pieces of Milo Mocha sachet. Oh my goodness, totaling 32 series. But where is my other? Hey, there are only 3. I couldn't find any more of the KitKats. So this is 5, 10. I'm counting really. They took all. 15. 20, 25, 30, 35. Ah, there you go. It's the other KitKat. 40. Yay! I love it. 40, 45, 50, 52 only, Grandpa. Really? They took 2. Lol. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. See, guys, it has Mocha, Milo, and coffee. 35, that one, right? 40, 45, 52 only, Grandpa, not 54. You're so bad. Now this one. Oh my god, I love it. I like it. You're supposed to put that one in that one, right? He said I have to put like AA batteries for this one. And there is like a stand. I couldn't find the stand. My early Christmas gift, Grandpa. Thank you so much. There is an instruction on it. I love it. See? Let's see. I can't take it out. Ooh. I have one more mug. I have a lot of mugs already. So, this is what Grandpa gave me. Seriously, with the old man. Oh, I love the old man. How am I supposed to put the battery in here? It's not even moving. Oh, I like it. I'm not sure where to put the battery. He said to put the battery somewhere. Yes, I think so. You're supposed to put the battery here? Or what? I can't find it. Ah, here you go. So, oops. This one you can open. This is the battery. No, nothing is there. But it's not for battery. I do not know. There is no battery. It's supposed to mix by itself? Where is the instruction in English? Description of the product. No. There is no English version. Ah. This product uses food-grade PP raw materials and heat-resistant high borosilicate glass, which is safe to use and easy to clean. It can automatically steal milk, powder, coffee, protein powder, and oh my god, I have a protein powder and granules, rice granules, and other drinks. Replacement batteries, cereal, storage, and product instructions. Remove the silicone buckle and open the lid by turning it clockwise. Here. So you have to take it out and then it will steer by itself. So this is the instructions. You can put battery and then this. What is this? Open the handle cap to put the steering rod. Where is the steering rod? I have no idea. Anyway. Thanks, Grandpa. Look at that. I love it. I love it. I do not know how to read the instructions. Oh, there is a heart also. Pinky, 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 pinky heart. Wow. Najib, hello. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't know how to use the instructions actually for the steering mug, electric steering mug. And I have to open it to check what is this. And it's a good thing because I have a protein granules also for the protein shake. So at least I can use it. I'm so excited. This is hot and cold. It didn't say that it's hot and cold, but then it can be used. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Grandpa. I'm so excited. You guys. Oh, shucks. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I'm reading